Hello kids. Today we will learn some easy daily routine sentences. Are you ready? Let's go. I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I read books.
I read books.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I eat my lunch.
I eat my lunch.
I learn new things.
I learn new things.
I come back home.
I come back home.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I watch cartoons.
I watch cartoons.
I help my parents.
I help my parents.
I eat my dinner.
I eat my dinner.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I read a story.
I read a story.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
Great job, kids. Now you know your daily routine sentences. Repeat them every day and make your routine super fun. Bye bye, see you soon.